Ashhadu
أشهد
Allah
أن لا
ilaha
إله
illallah
إلا الله
wa ashhadu
وأشهد
anna
أن
Muhammadan
محمدا
abduhu
عبده
wa rasuluhu.
ورسوله.
Masha sister, you're a Muslim and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
سلام 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 سلام.
Pork has been prohibited in the Quran in no less than 4 different places. Pork is also prohibited in the Bible, in the book of Deuteronomy, chapter number 14, verse number 8.
سلام سلام.
Inshallah, you won't have pork. From today, you won't have pork.
I don't want to eat pork.
MashaAllah, very good. Sister, do you believe there is one God?
Yes,
Do you believe Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
yes.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
Allah
an la
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah